Cafdil lessons.
Hello learners, welcome once again to today's lesson on mathematics. My name is Benjamin Lomotete, your Basic 2 mathematics teacher. Our topic is counting objects. Counting objects. Our objective is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to count objects from 51 to 100. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to count objects from 51 to 100. Before we continue, let's look at our homework. I hope for question 1, you had 35. For question 2, you had 40. For question 3, you had 15. And then for question 4, you had 3. Well done. Our objective, remember, is by the end of the lesson, you will be able to count objects from 51 to 100. One long shows 10. One long shows 10. So 5 of the longs will be 50. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 'We are counting from 51 up to 100. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 'Learners, I have 10 cubes here. We said 10 of the cubes shows 1 long. So I'm going to replace 1 long with the 10 cubes. Since 1 long is the same as 10 cubes, I can take the 10 cubes away and then replace them with 1 long, and I still have 60. 60. Let's continue counting. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. I'm replacing these 10 cubes with 1 long because 1 long is the same as 10 cubes. And I still have 70. Let's continue counting. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 'Once again, I'm using 1 long to stand in for the 10 cubes because 1 long is the same as 10 cubes. I'm taking the 10 cubes away and then replace with 1 long. 81, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 'So I have 90. I'm replacing the 10 cubes with 1 long. This is because 1 long is the same as cubes. And I have 90. That is 20, 60, let's continue counting. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Once again, I'm replacing the 10 cubes with just 1 long. I hope you know why. This is because 10 cubes are the same as 1 long. So I'm replacing the 10 cubes with just 1 long. 1 long is the same as 10 cubes. All right. Now that I have 100, let's put the longs together. And compare it with this material. This material is called flat. Repeat after me. Flat. I have one flat. Let's compare it with the 10 longs that I have here. The 10 longs give us 100. So when we compare this flat with 100, we can see that they are the same. This means that one flat shows 100. One flat shows 100. Let's arrange the longs on this flat. One long shows 10. So this is 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. We can see that 10 of the longs is the same as one flat. So one flat shows 100. One flat shows 100. Learners, how many of the longs is the same as 100? Ten. Very good. 10 of the longs is the same as 100. Let's look at the exercises on this chart. For number 1, I have 5 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 longs. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. What are we going to have? 5 longs and 4 cubes. This will give us 54. 54. Let's look at number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 longs. And then 1 cube. This will give us 61. Good. 61. Number 3. Let's count the number of longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 longs and 2 cubes. Learners, what would that be? 82. Well done. 82. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, we have only one flat, and that will give us 100. Well done. All too soon, we have come to the end of our lesson. Before we go, let's have this homework. Count to find out how many. Count to find out how many. For question 1, there are 5 longs and 3 cubes. Let's count the number of longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 longs and then 3 cubes. So you give the answer for question 1. And then question 2. Let's count the number of longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 2 cubes. Longs, 2 cubes. For question 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 longs. 7 longs and 1 cube. 7 longs and 1 cube. What would that give us? Well done, learners. I hope you have really enjoyed yourselves. Until we meet again, it's goodbye.